I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Bitcoin Core wallet. First, download the official software from Bitcoin.org to ensure authenticity. After installation, your wallet will begin synchronizing the entire Bitcoin blockchain, which is currently over 600 gigabytes in size. This process can take a significant amount of time, potentially several days, depending on your internet speed and computer's performance. Once synchronized, immediately encrypt your wallet with a robust, unique passphrase to protect your funds. To send Bitcoin, navigate to the Send tab in your wallet. You'll need the recipient's Bitcoin address, which is a long string of letters and numbers. Always double-check this address for accuracy, perhaps by scanning a QR code if available. Then, input the precise amount of Bitcoin you intend to send. The wallet will suggest a transaction fee which you can adjust, though higher fees usually mean faster confirmation times. Finally, review all the details one last time before confirming the transaction. Receiving Bitcoin is straightforward. Head over to the Receive tab in your Bitcoin Core wallet. Here, you can generate a new receiving address. It's a good practice to use a fresh address for each incoming transaction to enhance your privacy. Once generated, simply copy this address and provide it to the person who will be sending you Bitcoin. After they send it, you can monitor your wallet's Transactions tab for confirmation, which typically takes about 10 minutes for the first confirmation. Security is paramount when using Bitcoin Core. Regularly back up your wallet. Dat file to multiple secure, offline locations like a USB drive. This file contains your private keys, so its loss means losing your Bitcoin. Never, under any circumstances, share your wallet passphrase or private keys. Keep your operating system and Bitcoin Core software updated to the latest versions to patch any vulnerabilities. For significant amounts of Bitcoin, consider using a hardware wallet for enhanced security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.